Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything, and in today's video, we are going to show you on how you can export your printing profiles in Bambu Studio. So this is going to be relatively fast, so let's get into it. The first thing that you want to do is to open up any project on Bambu Studio, and from here, let's click on the file option. You then want to select export, and then click the export presets bundle. In here, you have multiple options like the printer preset bundle, which has this file, which is going to be the .bbscfg printer, and all the filament process presets that belongs to the printer can be shared with others. Or you could do something like a zip file by clicking on the printer presets.zip, click on the OK button, and of course, you then have to choose at least one filament. And from there, you have successfully exported your printer presets on Bambu Studio. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.